So cover the edges of your paper with sellotape or a masking tape. I ran out of masking tape, that's why I used sellotape. Now cover the paper, hold the paper with water, as we are going to use wet on wet technique, means on wet paper we are going to use wet colors. Now start applying lemon yellow color in this circular motion, leaving a bit of a white space between this circular yellow color. I'm just going to add some of the color on the right side of the paper also, like this. Now I'm just going to add a golden yellow color. Again, I'm just going to add the golden yellow color on all the sides. The rest of the paper, I'm just going to cover it with orange color. You can choose any other colors. I just wanted to have a sunset effect, that's why I have chosen these three colors. You don't need to worry about blending the colors yet. Since the surface is wet, we can blend the colors afterwards also. Now I'm just going to add just a bit of a red color on the edges, like this. Take a dry brush and start blending the colors. It is completely okay if some of the color is not blended properly. It will just look natural. Just try to blend as much as you can, and even if some portion is left unblended, it is completely okay. We are just going to cover it with the final details. I'm blending the colors on the edges also. And now take a wet brush and just soften the edges of this white portion to give it a natural look. I'm just going to blend here also, a small blending. Now I'm adding brick red color just to give it a more dramatic effect on the edges. You can completely skip this process if you don't want to add this brick color. Now let your paper dry completely before putting any more details on it. You can draw any design on your paper. For example, I have drawn this simple design of some fence, trees and birds. You can copy this design or you can draw anything else that you want. I'm just going to outline this design with help of a pen so that you can clearly see what my final design looks like. Once we are done with the outlining, we will just rub this pencil linings, because in the final drawing or in the final painting we don't want this pencil lines visible. So I'm just going to fast forward this process now. Outlining the details will make sure that you don't spill the color outside these lines. After outlining this whole design, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fill them with black colors. Here I'm using one brush pen to add color in the broader area. You can use normal watercolor also. You can use sketch pens, you can use simple black pens or pigment liners. Make sure that you don't spill the colors outside the outlines that we have initially drawn. Start adding small details to it, like leaves, more grass, some more stems, etc. I have fast forwarded this step. because it is pretty easy. If you want to look it closely, you can just reduce the speed of the player and you can watch it closely and slowly. Now after this, my painting would be nearly done. Just going to add some more details on the leaf, and then remove your masking tape or sellotape, and that's it. Our painting is done. If you have any questions, you can ask it in the comment section, or you can DM us on our Instagram account for any queries. Thank you. Bye.